Namaskar. We politicians respect the people with wisdom, knowledgeable, intellectual. I want to ask one question to the people of Karnataka. Is Karnataka government right in denying the compensation to our COVID victims? Friends, government declared the COVID pandemic a disaster under the National Disaster Management Act. In any disaster, the government gives relief, but the families of COVID victims have not received compensation till today. In Karnataka, more than 4 lakh people have died. Government of Karnataka has not given compensation to anyone. Ayushman Bharata scheme is there, but as on today, no compensation is being paid to anyone. I demand the government to implement the Supreme Court order. Everyone who has lost their lives has to be given compensation. I have gone to Chamarajanagar. I have visited all the people who have lost their lives, paid compensation from the Congress party, but government did not have a small courtesy to visit anyone's house. No minister has reached anyone's house. Is this the culture of the BJP government? I demand the government must pay compensation to all the families who are no more, who have lost their life, and all the patients who have paid their money to the hospitals. Either it may be private hospital or to the government hospital. It is the government must give them the compensation. I want all of you to share your pain which you have faced due to the COVID. I want you to comment on my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and the YouTube. I'll fight for justice. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.